Welcome dear students for the part third of our geography lesson Earth in solar system. In previous two parts we have discussed about the differences between stars and planets. Then we discussed about different constellations that are found in the solar system. Okay. So in this part, in the last part, in the second part, I have given you an activity. Some of the students could not understand the activity, so I am explaining it what to do. So you will be requiring 2-3 things for doing the activity. The one thing is that torch is required, a paper is required, a blank white paper is required, and some rubber band and a thing to make the holes. So what you have to do is, so you have to keep paper on surface, flat surface, white paper on flat surface. Keep the torch upside down. The part which have the glass, the torch part which have the glass, you keep the torch like this and mark those area of glass with the pencil or something, pencil pen. That area is marked in the circle, that will form a circle. So what you have to do is you have to make the holes within that circle. You have to make the holes within that circle of the torch glass. You have to keep the torch upside down. So that area which you have marked, that circle you have marked, you will make the holes in that circle. And then you have to tie. You have to tie that paper in front of the torch with the help of rubber band. So what will happen? Some holes will be there on the paper and that part will be in front of the glass of your torch. Okay. And what you have to do afterwards? You have to switch off the lights of the room. Then when you will turn on, you will switch on the light, the battery torch. So what will happen? The darkness will be there in the room, and then if you put the torch on the wall, so you can see there the shining part. It's shining, the rays. And when you switch on the light of your room, so you are not able to see those the lighted part of the torch. The same happen during the day. The stars and moons are in the sky, the star and the moon is there in the sky, and because of too much light of sun rays, daytime we are not able to see those stars, the sun, many times. So this was the purpose of that activity. Still you can do that at home. You definitely try to do. You don't require much time. Okay. So now we will be coming to the next part of our lesson is the sun. We are discussing about solar system. As the solar system is there, without sun the solar system cannot imagine. The sun is at the center of the whole solar system. Okay, the sun is at the center of the solar system. So about sun we are discussing few things. Structure. First we will be discussing about the structure. So how is the structure of the sun? It is a ball type of shape. It has a ball type of shape and it is containing hot gases. It has so many hot gases. So structure of the sun is ball of hot gases. Then surface of the sun is very hot. It includes very hot gases. There is no life possible. You cannot imagine life on the surface or around the sun. So in summer, if the temperature crosses around 50, then also we feel so much hot. So you cannot imagine the life that is near the sun. Okay, so you can't imagine. Even when the temperature crosses 100 degrees Celsius, the water starts boiling. Isn't it? So you know this fact, the scientific fact. So you cannot imagine how much may be hot near the sun. So diameter of the sun is how much? 856,000 miles diameter. Its diameter is this much. Distance from the earth is 9 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros after 93 miles. Means 93 millions miles kilometer. This much distance. And the age of the sun is 4.55 billion years ago. This is not a very short, so quite long, and from so many years we have the sun. Then few more facts about the sun. The scientific name of the sun is SOL. So SOL is the scientific name of sun. It contains 98% of the rocks, dust and gas. So 98% it have the rocks. There are rocks. Of course, it is melted rocks. Then dust and gases. And so, what is the diameter? How much is the sun you want to know? So, what you have to require? Suppose you are taking Earth. So, how many Earth you will be requiring to fit the sun? You will be requiring 1 million Earth. So, if you want to make equal to the sun, so how many Earth you will require? You will require 1 million Earths to fit into sun. So, this much is the big diameter. This much is the area of sun. It is a giant magnet. It is magnetic power. You know that the sun surface is approximately 6,000 degrees Celsius. Temperature of the sun is around 6,000 degrees Celsius. Okay, but its atmosphere is million of degrees Celsius. Okay. Then we have about the moon. So about the moon, moon is a natural satellite. Next point is the moon. The moon is natural satellite of the earth, and in the atmosphere or solar system, how many moons are there? 96. You know only one moon, but there are 96 moons in the solar system. Among these 96, one is our own moon. And you know that moon is created from earth only. That's why it is Earth's satellite. It is natural satellite of earth. And because of the moon, we are able to find the life. It has made the earth stable. One side we have the gravity of sun, and the other side we have the gravity of moon. Because of these two gravity, the earth is able to stand stable. It is not much falling down. It has the balance, we can say. It is making the balance gravity of both. So these overview fact about the moon is like the period of rotation of the moon is 27.3 Earth day. How much? 27.3 Earth days, 24 hours. You know that Earth is 24 hours. So, and the revolution time of the moon is also same. Moon's revolution and rotation time is the same. That is the reason why we are able to see the half part of the moon. The one side of the moon we are able to see because of this fact. What is the fact? Rotation time of the sun and the revolution time of the sun is the same. And what is that? How much is that? 27.3 Earth days. This I told you. The moon only has 1.16 the gravity of the earth. 1/6 of the gravity of the earth is found there on the moon. The moon has no atmosphere. It don't have any type of atmosphere. The moon don't have the atmosphere that we have on the earth. That is the fact we have to remember. Then next is stars. Next point is stars. You know that. A star is a huge sphere of very hot glowing gases. There are glowing gases. When stars are grouped together, what we call constellation. In previous part we have discussed about constellation. Constellation is the pattern of the star coming together. They create different shapes. That shapes are called constellation. So stars make different constellations. It make different shapes. Okay. The bigger is constellation that we see is often. That means there are different constellations. We have discussed some of them. Then how the stars are born? How the stars were created? The stars are formed from giant clouds of dust and gas. So stars are created from what? They are created from dust. Okay, they are created from the dust and gases. They are created from the dust and gases. Then from the gravity, the cloud collapse into rotating gases ball, This is one more fact. Once the new star gets hot enough, it will begin to create energy from the process called nuclear fission. So nuclear fission concept is there to make to form the circles. So stars. This created energy allow the stars to glow for billions years. So for millions of years, the stars are able to shine because of this process. What is that process? Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission, this process make it to shine. The death of the star, how sometimes we are not able to see particular stars. Sometimes the stars die also. Why it happens? A star dies when it turns out of gas to burn. So it requires gas to burn. The stars require the gas as we require the gas to cook the food. Same is with stars. If the stars is not getting the gas to burn, so it will die. So there are chances that they will die. So this is a fact that you have to remember. The stars will first expand into red and supergiant. Before getting light, they shine. They convert into before dying. They what they do? They generally shine. At last, and its color looks red. Okay. So these are the fact about. So we have covered some point of the sun. The sun is at the center of the solar system, and whatever the energy we are getting, that is only possible because of the sun. Then we have discussed about the moon. What is the importance of moon? I have told with you. Once there was an asteroid fall on the earth, that fall on the earth and it broke into pieces, and the other piece was created, that is moon. And the rotation and revolution time of the moon is the same, that you have to remember this. That's why we are not able to see the full side of the moon, like earth rotates and it looks like that shape, but it is not possible because the rotation time and the revolution time of the moon is the same. Then we have discussed about next stars. The stars, how they get energy, and sometimes they die also. So this also that we have discussed. So next you have to do, what activity you have to do is you have to draw, or you have to either draw we have some activity for you. Like one activity is like I told you already before. So what you have to do, you have to either draw the solar system model, or you can create the solar system model by using different sizes of balls. For different planets, you can use different colors balls. You can fit on that chart also. I have shown you last year example of such charts. Then I have shown you constellation, one constellation, that is pole star, and one more, that is 7 stars, what we call as a Saptarshi. So Saptarshi I have shown you, there are how many stars? They are 7 stars, and they have created a particular pattern. You must have seen. And among them there is pole star also. So either you can draw the what we can solar systems model, or you can draw the image, or you can draw the picture of Saptarshi. This will be your homework assignment. Okay. And those who have not submitted their worksheet, please submit your worksheet in time. And those who have submitted, they will be getting new worksheet. Okay, thank you. Stay healthy.